Load the thesaurus firstly. You can choose one of the first 4 thesauruses. Load other thesaurus files. You can load the thesaurus in DAT format. Create a new, empty thesaurus file. Input the creator name or not. Description. Choose language. Category. Anyone can use this thesaurus or need to pay for it. If your thesaurus is not free, you have to set the password here. You can see this software use the thesaurus I created just now. We have a thesaurus exchange system. In the website, click Thesaurus Exchange System. You can find the shared thesaurus. Click Thesaurus or Load. You can re-upload the file. If you use Team version, you can use Team Thesaurus. Create a new Team Thesaurus. Choose Input Thesaurus from where. I choose from File. Input Team. Here I can see the thesaurus I created just now.